Check it out, man. 79 Dodge Power Wagon. Yeah, she's hurting, man, but damn, pretty neat. Check it out real quick. She only got one wheel. Round Up. It's like that tailgate, along with the rest of the truck, sees some way better days. So pretty straight though, man. Yeah, at least this side of the bed, that door. Got a little bit of dings right there, but this bed not that bad. At least, yeah. Redneck. I tried to put this back. 150. Ran there. Stop for a second. Nice patina. Let's take a look under the hood. I think it had an Edelbrock on top of it. Seen some literature in there, you know, inside the cab there. Another one of their CDs. That looks like a brand new or a reman distributor there. It's got new spark plugs, probably new wires. What are these? Is that Packard headers? I don't know if it's got the mufflers under there or what kind. So I could add this here to it. Yeah, obviously 4x4. I don't know what engine this is. 318, 360 maybe. Take a look inside. Power Wagon. There's why I said it was maybe an Edelbrock that was in there originally. It's neat. Looks like they were gonna try to change this up and add a Sun Pro tack right here in this spot, right in that area. This is made in Korea. Is this a good? It's damaged though. Might still be salvageable. Let's see back here. That window. It appears to be a brand new gasket set. Chrysler on there. I have to look at that number up to see what it's for. So, door panel. This steering wheel don't look too bad. That mileage. Let's go on the other side. 11 of 78. exhaust on this thing. I feel like cherry bomb style. It duals, but yeah. Boy, man, I tell you, it's got no rust on this thing. Hey, solid on that bed on this side. I think I saw rust though on the other side, on the cab corner. You can see a hole there. Here's the Power Wagon. There. Yeah, they had a carburetor and it brought carb on it. Here's the bezels for the tail lights. Decent. In there. So let's say great neck. There's another. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I have to look at it closer. I see some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, I got too many of these things. I bet these are cheapies. That's a Stanley on that one. What's that? Oh, that's for your U-joints. Alright, yeah. And this is a Craftsman size 3/4, 12 point. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, they're brand new. Well, yeah, man. Oh, so take a quick look up underneath in here real quick. Dodge truck. Much everything. Yeah. Owner's manual for it. There it is, man. Oops. Stay closed, damn it. That's a quick look at sometimes there's something hiding in there. Nothing. Alright. Got your Playboy bunny there going on. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. There it is. Alright, man. I think that's gonna do me for this one.